Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make simple oven roasted turkey breast. Whether you're cooking for a smaller crowd or you just like that lighter meat, turkey breast is simple to make. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust your rack so that the turkey breast can bake in the center of the oven. Place your turkey breast skin side up onto the rack of a roasting pan. If you don't have a roasting pan, don't worry, you can just use a lightly greased 9x13 pan. Just like whole turkeys, turkey breasts are sold in various sizes. So just be sure to choose the size that's right for you and your needs. This recipe will work for any size. The only thing that will change is the cooking time. Next, we're gonna put together our spice mixture. It starts with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you'll need 2 teaspoons each of paprika, dried oregano, dried rosemary, and salt, and then 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, dried thyme, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then we'll stir this together so that it forms a paste-like consistency. Slide your fingers underneath the skin to loosen it up so we can get this spice paste-like mixture underneath. This doesn't just get our flavor right on the meat, it also gives us a crispier skin. Spoon some of that spice mixture right down underneath the skin and spread it out to cover as much of the meat as you can. Then take whatever is left and rub it on the outside of the skin. And then that's it. We're ready to put this in the oven. Feel free to experiment with the spice blend so that you can customize it to your own personal taste preferences. We also really love a Cajun seasoning mix. Roast your turkey in the 375 degree oven for about 20 minutes per pound. But of course, the only real way to know when your turkey will be done is to use a meat thermometer. Turkey should be pulled out when it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll let it rest until it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, to baste or not to baste? It's actually a really good question. Basting is traditionally used to get the juices from the bottom of the pan back up over the top of the meat. However, opening the oven door so many times allows tons of heat to escape. I actually recommend keeping that oven door closed and saving the basting for another day. If your turkey skin starts to look a little crispy, you'll just want to tent it loosely with aluminum foil. Some ovens just run a little more crispy than others, and that's okay. Either way, you'll want to tent it loosely with aluminum foil during that resting period where it goes from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 165. Then you, my friends, are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.